Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of this keyboard right here. And yes, this is available on Amazon, and that's exactly where we got it from. Just do this unboxing, and this will be another giveaway that we're giving out. So we're not keeping this. We will test it out a little bit, but for the very first time, we're not going to keep it for months and test it out to give you guys a good review on it. We're actually just going to give it away right away. So it's brand new for you guys. So make sure to subscribe. That way you guys have a chance to win this. Or actually a few iPhones that we're giving out away as well. Anyways, let's just take this out. And here's the keyboard. This keyboard looks pretty cool. We can see this is pretty raised up. That's very important once we're looking at these guys. So we're gonna press on it, feel how that feels. Feels pretty soft. Pretty good. Okay, yeah, the feel of it. The weight of it is important. It doesn't feel cheap. Once we're looking at technology, when they feel extremely light, it's usually cheap material. And this does not feel cheap at all because it's light enough. It could even be lighter, but it's a good thing that this is that heavy because it feels like it has something to it. So it's not one of those cheap products. So we're gonna go around it. So here's one connection. Go all the way up. We're gonna go all the way around so you guys can see anything, but there's really nothing around. There's only that one side where we see one connection, and that's about it. Other than that, if we go around it again, you will see that there's nothing at all except for this dude. So we're just gonna turn it around. Again, we have this. This is so it doesn't slip. So pretty important for keyboards to have this. Usually they do. It's really rare that they don't. Again, really cheap ones sometimes don't, but usually even the cheap ones do. So I'm gonna do a close-up on these guys. So here we go. Just gonna take a good look. Feels good. Yeah, pretty standard keyboard. I would not say this is the most heavy-duty one I've seen or the lightest one. It's just, I would say, medium-ish quality from what I can see so far. Anyways, this would be most likely the shortest unboxing I've ever done, I think, because there's no cable to come with it. Yeah, there's only this guy. There's no cable. Kind of weird. Usually it comes with a cable, at least you guys could charge it. Just gonna show you around the box because I almost forgot to do that. And I always get those questions to show you guys around the box, just in case there's information that's missing on the website and you guys can see it here. That's additional information, such as this right here. So maybe that's the information you guys are looking for. This is colored black. That's it around the box. That would be it for around the box. Anyways, that's it for this video unboxing. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can run them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you!